So Liquify text effect is going viral on social media platforms, and so today I wanted to share you with this tutorial and how you can make the similar Liquify text effect easily using Canva and Photopea. So let's start with it. And so for this example I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas, and to make this Liquify effect, as it is a liquid effect, liquid text effect, so I have chosen a water background for it. So as you can see, this is a blue water background and it is free to use, and I have chosen this one. So after that I will go to apps, and here I will write font, and I will use this font frame. So as you can see here, you can create any type of frame using this app. So for this I am writing the text as Liquify, and I want to change the font to Antonio. Okay, so this one looks good, and I will just decrease the border weight to 0. Okay, so this one is done. Now you will use the selected image, which is this one, and our frame is ready. We will click on add to design, and you can make any number of designs you want using this one, this app. Okay, so after that I am just making it bigger according to our frame. Okay, so and I am placing it in the middle. Okay, and after that I will go to share, click on download, and download it as PNG. So our work in Canva is done. So as you know, the Photopea is a free alternative of Photoshop. So I will use that to share you this example, and I will click on open from computer and use this same design which I just created in Canva. And after that, nothing else you need to do, just click on filter and Liquify, and after that just work on the brush size, just increase a bit, okay, like this, and rate to 40. So if you don't like this settings, you can just make your own. And the best part which I like about Photopea is that if I make any type of mistakes, I can easily rectify it clicking the reset button. Okay, so like I don't want the 40 and I want to work in 50, so now I can easily do that. If I want to increase the density also, I can easily do that. So let's show you. Okay, so like this we can easily do. So I will keep it to 35 for the final settings. This one keep it to 50, and size to 150. Okay, and just use the Liquify work. Okay, so hope you like this, and we can also work on this one. And as you can see, this is a cool liquefied font which is coming here, and you can make this same using Canva and Photopea. So hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you.